scenario is all about the how the process or the workflow of the Comelec of the LGU Comelec. So we will conduct an observation interview about this. So good morning, sir. We would like to ask you if who is the in charge here in LGU Comelec?
Mr. Lorenzo, please come in. Sir, you have a seat, sir. They are in the office.
Here's our papers to. Here is that is our letter from our school and is already signed by our professor to conduct an observation.
Let me read first. Okay, sure.
We will conduct an interview for the LGU Comelec. So thank you, sir. I'm here to interview. We have this letter, this approval letter. It is already signed by our professor. So we would like to conduct an interview about your department.
Sure. Please have a seat.
So we're very sorry for taking your time, sir. So
It's okay. Of course.
So our first, we would like to ask this: what are the challenges you encounter in your work or here in your department?
Well, based on that question, there's a lot of challenges that we face here during our work, especially when there's a clients, then merong clients na gustong mag-register, then tapos meron kaming kailangan na requirement sa kanya tapos hindi niya mabigay. So one of the problem na yan, challenges na aming na-encounter here in our
Requirements of
the clients.
So the question is, how do you organize all your work, especially with so many papers? Do you have a specific system you use to make your work faster?
For us, we don't have a system yet, but we just manual labor lang kami dito, but takes a lot of time dahil nag-input kami ng mga data or information ng mga clients namin through computer only. That's why
So wala po kayong yung specific na system na
wala pa sa
yung madali lang gamitin, hindi po yung maghintay pa yung clients kung kailangan sila. For example, for their registration, na-register na sila.
Wala pa eh. Pero we just do our best para mapadali yung
So, like, what are your you want to improve in your work or in your department? What do you like to contribute?
Well, for me, gusto ko lang na makagawa na kami ng mga system para mapadali yung gawain namin dito.
Thank you for taking up and answered our questions, sir. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you too to both of you.